For Taiwan's future, unite the power of public opinion and international law. Introduction. Protecting our most precious homeland, no time to waste. When the first ray of morning sunlight falls upon this land, we always feel deeply blessed. This island holds our familiar streets, warm families, and beloved friends. It carries our collective memories and our dreams of freedom. However, our beloved homeland is increasingly under threat, and the moment to protect it has arrived. Voice of Taiwanese people, resilient and unyielding like the Formosan black bear. U.S. strategic expert Germantes Lailari has deeply analyzed that despite China's military exercises, economic coercion, and legal intimidation intended to force the Taiwanese people into abandoning freedom, Taiwanese have never yielded. Instead, our resolve has only strengthened. According to the latest poll by National Chengchi University, by the end of 2024, public opinion in favor of maintaining the status quo or pursuing independence had reached 76%, while support for unification with China dropped to only 13.3%. These aren't just numbers, they represent the deep commitment to freedom and democracy held by each Taiwanese person. The voice of the Taiwanese people is crystal clear: we want freedom, democracy, and dignity in our lives. Our voice grows louder every day. With China's threat looming, how do we protect Taiwan? Yet, determination alone is not enough. China's threat is escalating, and we cannot afford complacency or wait passively for assistance. Strategic expert Germantes Lailari proposes several practical and effective solutions, most notably recommending that Taiwan allocate approximately $20 billion annually from its substantial foreign exchange reserves to significantly bolster national defense. He also specifically advises extending mandatory military service, enhancing training for reserve forces, and involving the entire population in national defense training to build a more robust defense foundation. We must thoughtfully consider these strategies and act decisively. Protecting Taiwan begins with each one of us. Strengthening international cooperation. We are not alone facing China's enormous pressure. Taiwan has never stood alone. We must actively seek international support, particularly by deepening security cooperation with the United States. Lailari suggests re-signing the U.S.-Taiwan Mutual Defense Treaty or even adopting the innovative Compact of Free Association, CFA, thereby securing clear U.S. commitments to Taiwan's safety and effectively deterring China from military aggression. He further presents a unique proposal. The U.S. could use tariffs collected on Taiwanese products directly to finance Taiwan's military purchases, avoiding domestic political interference and rapidly enhancing Taiwan's military capabilities. Approaching from international law, the fundamental solution for Taiwan. While these strategies may temporarily ward off threats, Taiwan's challenges stem from deeper issues. As early as 2006, Dr. Roger C.S. Lin initiated legal action in the United States, and the court recognized that Taiwanese people have lacked a legally defined nationality under international law for nearly 80 years since the end of World War II. This legal ambiguity lies at the heart of Taiwan's problems. This landmark judicial ruling facilitated the establishment of the Taiwan civil government in 2008. Its founder, Dr. Roger C.S. Lin, believes that only by resolving Taiwan's international status through international law can we fully address the island's persistent security, diplomatic, and economic issues. In 2015, the Taiwan civil government again filed suit in a U.S. court against the Republic of China government, accusing it of illegally altering the nationality of Taiwanese citizens, violating international wartime laws. This lawsuit aims not only at legal action but also serves to secure human rights and welfare for the Taiwanese people, fundamentally resolving Taiwan's international predicament. For years, the Taiwan civil government has persistently communicated Taiwan's true situation to the international community, gaining recognition and support. Their efforts towards normalizing Taiwan's international status increasingly resonate with the Taiwanese people's aspirations for freedom and democracy. Awakening collective awareness, uniting against Chinese influence in modern warfare. Information warfare is no longer merely virtual, it impacts our daily lives directly. Every Taiwanese must learn to identify and resist disinformation from China to prevent societal division. Building national defense awareness and social resilience has become essential. Taiwan's governing authorities are actively promoting these goals, while the Taiwan civil government has long engaged in civic education, seminars, and international outreach, consistently advocating Taiwan's normalization of international status through the procedures of international law, fundamentally resolving Taiwan's issues. Conclusion: Taiwan's future lies in our hands today. We stand at a historic crossroads. Whether through Lailari's strategic proposals or the Taiwan civil government's advocacy for an international legal solution, collective support is crucial for true success. Protecting Taiwan is not an unattainable ideal, it is an action each of us can take part in. No matter how small your role may seem, you possess the power to safeguard the land we cherish. Let the world hear Taiwan's voice, let the global community witness our yearning and determination for freedom. Let us join hands, striving together for Taiwan's future. The path may be difficult, but it is honorable. Every one of us is an essential force. We love this land deeply, because our roots are here. Together, let's defend our common homeland until the world hears our voice.